Welcome to Oak Meadow, a charming new community in Angier, North Carolina, designed for homeowners who want space, convenience, and a little more breathing room in their everyday life. Here you'll find thoughtfully crafted homes with spacious interiors, first floor living options, 3-car garage availability, and half-acre home sites that give you room to live the way you've always imagined. Our Smart Living collection lets you personalize your home with finishes that match your style and your needs. Just minutes away, you can enjoy local favorites like Naylor Family Farm, Nils Cafe and Bakery, Thanks a Latte, and the beautiful Jack Marley Park, where walking trails, open green space, and community activities make weekends feel a little sweeter. Oak Meadow is also perfectly positioned for easy access to everywhere you want to be. We're only 18 minutes from Fuquay-Varina, close to Lillington, and right in the heart of Angier, giving you a small town charm with big town convenience. Commuting is simple with quick access to NC 55, and you're just a short drive from Raleigh, Research Triangle Park, and Fort Bragg. Whether you're looking for a fresh start, more flexibility, or a home that truly fits your life, Oak Meadow brings it all together: space, comfort, community, and an ideal location. Welcome home to Oak Meadow, where life feels grounded, connected, and perfectly you. Schedule your tour at hhhunthomes.com.